Hi friends, welcome back to Inspo English. See friends, here I am to continue with the discussion on different kinds of adjectives. In my previous session, we discussed some three kinds of adjectives and let's continue it with the fourth one. Okay, adjectives are used in different ways and we are going to see which are the ways in which an adjective can be used or what are the different kinds of adjectives. Okay, the fourth one, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrate means to point out something. Okay, which person, which place or which thing. For example, this, that, these, those, here, there, such, etc. are demonstrative adjectives. This pen is mine. I am pointing out that this pen is mine. And that one, when we point out something at a distance, okay, we say that man is my friend. And when it comes to plural, it will be these, those. Then regarding place, here comes my friend, there goes the bus. Okay. And coming to the example given here, such questions are irrelevant. That means questions is the noun under consideration and such is the demonstrative adjective there. That is some particular questions, we say such questions are irrelevant. These grapes are sour. These is the demonstrative adjective here and grapes is the noun. We are pointing out a bunch of grapes or a basket full of grapes and then we say these grapes are sour. Then fifth type of adjectives, distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives denote each one of two. We speak about two things and then we consider one by one. Okay, the two. Given two are considered separately. Denote each one of two or person or thing taken single. We consider people or thing from a group in a single manner. Okay, person or thing taken single or separate groups, or even when we have many groups, we can consider each group separately. In such context, we use distributive adjectives. The main important distributive adjectives are each, every, neither, etc. Example, each one has to sign the document. Suppose there are 5 people, then we consider them separately and we say that each one has to sign. So each is the distributive adjective here. Each one is considered separately. Every girl was given a prize. A large group is under consideration and we say every girl, they are considered individually, was given a prize. So every is a distributive adjective. Then neither of the boys is clever. We consider 2 boys and then we think of them separately. We consider them, regard them separately and say neither of the boys is clever. Okay, so neither is also a distributive adjective in this context. And it qualifies the noun boys. Okay. Then interrogative adjectives. From the title itself, you know what's interrogative words. Interrogative words are words like what, which, whose, when. Okay, when they are used with nouns, they are interrogative adjectives. For example, it's not the normal way of framing a question. they are used with a noun. For example, what greatness is there in his life? Here, what and greatness. Greatness is a noun, and what qualifies the noun greatness? What greatness is there in his life? Here, what functions like an adjective. Then coming to another one, which student? Student is the noun, and which is used here as an adjective. Which student did this? So once again, interrogative adjective is used as an interrogative word is used as an interrogative adjective. Which student did this? Third one, whose house is this? Again, whose. This is an interrogative adjective here. House is the noun. It's actually an interrogative word, a question word, but it's used here as an adjective to qualify the noun house. Then coming to the seventh kind of adjectives. Present participle. You know, present participle is formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb. Present participle formed by adding ing to a verb. Used in present. You know, it's usually used in present continuous tense to form present continuous tense. And such present participles can be used as adjectives to qualify nouns. See the example, it will be very clear. The approaching rain. Here rain is a noun and approaching is a participle, present participle formed from the verb approach. Approach, approaching. So the approaching rain is indicated by dark clouds. So approaching here is a present participle formed from the verb approach. It's here in this context used as an adjective. So present participles formed by adding ing to a verb, usually used in present continuous tense, can be used as adjectives to qualify nouns. Then eighth one, verbal nouns formed by adding ing to verbs to function as nouns. You know, sometimes ing is added to the base form of the verb to function as nouns. Usually we use this as gerunds. The grammatical term used is gerund. Verbal nouns formed by adding ing to verbs to function as nouns. Gerunds that can function as adjectives. See the example. Drinking water should be pure. Here, drinking water is a gerund. I mean, ing added to a base form to form the gerund. Drinking water should be pure. Running races. Run is the base form of the verb. Ing is added. Running races are common. So here running is a gerund, but here it functions like an adjective. Here running qualifies the noun races, and drinking water, here drinking qualifies the noun water. Okay. So these are the different types of adjectives. Try to go through the video, watch the video several times, understand them and use them correctly. Okay, thank you for watching. I will be back with another very useful video very soon. Till then, goodbye.